Hello, welcome to Math Gist. How to solve ABC from this given equation. AB is equal to 35, BC is equal to 56, and the CA is equal to 40. Solution. AB is equal to 35. Let's call this equation 1. Then BC is equal to 56. Let's call this equation 2. And CA is equal to 40. Let's call this equation 3. Let's multiply equation 1 by 2 and by 3. Then this is A, B, multiplied by BC multiplied by CA is equal to 35 multiplied by 56 multiplied by 40. And this is A square multiplied by B square multiplied by C square is equal to 35 is 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 56 is 7 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 40 is 5 multiplied by 8. Then this is A square multiplied by B square multiplied by C square is equal to, here we have 5 and 5 here. This is 5 square multiplied by 7 and 7. This is 7 square, and here we have 8 and 8. 8 square. Then this can be written as A multiplied by B multiplied by C all square is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8 all square. Let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of A multiplied by B multiplied by C all square is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8 all square. This will cancel this, and this will cancel this. A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to plus or minus 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. Therefore, ABC is equal to plus or minus 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. Let's call this equation 4. Now let's divide equation 4 by equation 1. That is, equation 4 is ABC is equal to plus or minus 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8, and equation 1 AB is equal to 35 over AB. This is over 35. This will cancel this. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 7, 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1. C is equal to plus or minus 8. This is the value of C. Now let's substitute for C in equation 2. Equation 2 is BC is equal to 56 and C is equal to plus or minus 8. Then B bracket plus or minus 8 is equal to 56. Let's divide both sides by plus or minus 8. Divided by plus or minus 8. Divided by plus or minus 8. This will cancel this. 8 here 1, 8 here 7. Then B is equal to plus or minus 7. This is the value of B. Then we've gotten the value of B. Then we can substitute for B in equation 1 to get the value of A. That is, equation 1 is AB is equal to 35, then B is plus or minus 7, A bracket plus or minus 7 is equal to 35. Now let's divide both sides by plus or minus 7. Divided by plus or minus 7, divided by plus or minus 7. This will cancel this. A is equal to 7 here 1, 7 here 5, plus or minus 5. Therefore, A is equal to plus or minus 5, B is equal to plus or minus 7, and C is equal to plus or minus 8. And our final answers are A, B, C is equal to 5, 7, 8, minus 5, minus 7, and minus 8. This is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.